Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Technique Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the line spacing on your Canva DOS on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to change the line spacing in your Canva DOS mobile, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, I just paste some lines here. So just going to adjust the size of the text here. So I just going to select all first and just going to change the font size here. Okay, so now I just need to adjust the line spacing of this particular paragraph. So just select it first. So select everything. Then you have to swipe on the bottom toolbar. And here you can find option called this toolbar. It have a line spacing option. So you can just increase the line spacing up to 2.5 and also decrease the line spacing up to 0.5. You can see it's actually merged one and another. So if you just need a good line spacing, you can just easily increase like this, and you can also customize the line spacing as you wish. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.